Hi, this is Mark Timmons, the Water Doctor, and today we're going to talk about whole house filters using cartridge filters. Now, the first ones we're going to look at are what's called 2.5 by 10 inch filters. And when we say 2.5 by 10, that simply means the filter inside takes a 2.5 inch to 2 3/4 inch diameter filter by 10 inches long, or actually 9 7/8 long. That's what's considered to be a 2.5 by 10 inch filter. Now, I'm showing you these as whole house filters, but I don't really consider this to be a whole house filter because it's really only going to flow about 5 gallons a minute. But I know some of you are going to go ahead and do it anyway, so we'll include that for the sake of you. This has a full 3/4 inch inlet and outlet, and it has a pressure relief on top in a single cartridge. Of course, we've got double cartridge and we've got a triple cartridge. This is for applications where you may have multiple water problems or special sediment problems. For instance, you can use a 3-stage filter as step-down filtration. Maybe start with a 20 micron filter in the first one, a 5 micron in the second one, and a 1 micron in the last one to filter out any small particles. These are our 2.5 by 10 inch filters, and again, I don't recommend using these on a whole house, maybe a point of use, or maybe a very small house. We recommend the bigger ones for whole houses. Now, we step up from the 2.5 by 10 to the 2.5 by 20, and we're starting to get serious. We're starting to get a little serious about our filtration. This is 2.5 inches in diameter, is the type filter that it uses, or 2 3/4 by 20 inch. These will flow about 10 gallons a minute, 8 to 10, so it's pretty serious. In smaller houses, maybe 2 to 3 baths, something like this may work. I still recommend going a little bit bigger because think about this for a minute. As filters start plugging up, the flow rate becomes slower. So you may want to go with an even bigger filter to get a better flow. But this does a pretty good job of giving a credible flow rate. Single, double, and triple. Again, for step-down filtration, or maybe you want to use a carbon filter in one and a sediment filter in the other one. There's lots of options that you can use, including nitrate removal, deionization filters, arsenic removal filters, all kinds of specialty filters that you can use in these particular applications. Now, to learn about the 4.5 inch format filters, the bigger ones, watch the next video.